god.
I have to be so bad. Get ready with me to go to the nail salon and fancy smash. I ain't go to sleep last night. Anywho, today is Saturday. It's the 9th. School starts on the 11th. Yeah, on the 11th. School starts on the 11th.
She said take your time with some rush.
Boom, I'm back. And my lashes kind of clustered together while I was gone. While I was fixing them. So I'm gonna brush them out. Hopefully that helps. With the curling mascara. Okay, it was right in front of my face. Go back in with the curling mascara one last time so I can freaking uncluster these lashes. Doing that did not help. Okay, we're gonna leave them. They're like these mink type looking lashes now. Before I had them looking all full and gorgeous. Now they want to be mink. I ain't gonna stop the dream. It's 8:54. I'm gonna put on my outfit and then I'm gonna do my lips. Because what? Glasses. I almost forgot my glasses. Alright guys, this is finished look to go to the nail salon. Got the Kurt Geiger bag. And that's it. I'm literally about to just head out and go. But this is the finished look. I love them. I feel like they go really well with my skin. And this is different. I usually get a base color that matches this part of my skin. It's very neutral, but I like the pink. I like the pink. The pink looks really cute. But yeah, I'm about to go get my hair washed, get my hair retwisted, and then I will be back with you guys for the install. Alright guys, I'm back. 5:46 freaking PM. The vlog out. So just like this. I'm gonna take my glasses off here because it's kind of a process. Okay, so I got all that, no bump, so, you know, as slick as you can with locks. Right. I also have my lace glue, and it is extreme hold, waterproof, humidity resistant. This is the wig. I believe it is a 28-inch.
I really need somebody. Tell me you get somebody. I don't care about your body.
alarm went off, but yeah, this is how the wig looks. I'm just teasing the hair so it can come to the hip. I'm liking it. I like it like this. This ain't wet. It's really good looking. Hey guys, here's the finishing look. I decided I liked it more fluff because it just looks more full fluff and it doesn't look as dense. But yeah, this is the finished look. I'm basically ready for school. I'm just waiting for Monday now. I hope you guys liked the video. If you're new, make sure you comment and subscribe. Or just like and subscribe, you know, because I'm a cool peeps and we could be cool peeps together. Join the club. But really do hope you guys like this video today. This is something different for me. I've never done this before. Really chaotic video. Hope to see you in the next one on my last